Hey everyone, Julie here from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share this adorable Flower Power Dog Bandana tutorial with you. It is beginner friendly, quick to make, and the perfect DIY accessory to keep your furry friend looking fabulous. Whether you're new to crochet or just looking for a fun, creative pet project, this free pattern is just what you need. So let's grab our yarn and get started. So to make this dog bandana, you are going to need 3 colors. So I'm using 100% acrylic yarn, category 3. I have my main color, color A, and for the flowers I have yellow and dark pink, color B and color C. To make the bandana, you are going to need a 5mm hook. To make the flowers, you are going to need a 4mm hook. In addition to this, you are also going to need yarn needle to sew the flowers on and weave in loose ends, and you are also going to need a pair of scissors. So let's get started with the tutorial. So I have here the neck sizes, some charts for you. So go ahead and follow the tutorial referring to the size chart that you need to create the dog bandana. Okay, so take your 5mm crochet hook and your main color, make a slip knot, and then you are going to chain 2. And into the first chain, for row 1, make 3 single crochets. Now to step up for the next row, you are going to chain 1. This doesn't count as a stitch, turn your work. And for row 2, you are going to make 1 single crochet increase into the first stitch, 1 single crochet into the next, and 1 single crochet increase in your last stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, and from now on, so we are going to repeat row 2. So you are going to have 1 single crochet increase into the first, 1 single crochet in your stitches in between, and 1 single crochet increase in your very last stitch. So you are increasing at the beginning and at the end of each row. And again, I'm going to work another row with you. Chain 1, turn your work, increase in your first stitch, and then single crochet until you reach your last stitch, and make 1 increase in your very last stitch. Okay, so go ahead and continue working like this until you reach the width of your dog measured around the neck. So I'm going to work my rows off camera and then meet you back again to tell you how many rows that I've made. So since my dog is a giant dog. Okay, so I'm back. I've reached the width that I want to have for the bandana, since I need for my dog a extra large. So my bandana measures exactly 58 centimeters. So use the chart that I left for you to know how wide your bandana should be and how many rows you need to make. And I have a total of 39 single crochet rows. Now we are going to create one of the straps, and for this I'm going to chain the amount of chain to reach 20 centimeters. So I'm going to prepare my centimeter right here. I want to have the strap about 20 centimeters long without stretching it. So go ahead and chain what you need to be able to tie the bandana around the neck. Okay, so I've chained 30 chains. Now I'm going to chain one more. This is going to be my turning chain, and then make one single crochet in each chain across. So at the end you should have a total, so in my case I'm going to have 30 single crochets, and as you can see I'm going down here, so not in this loop up here but in the second loop down here to make my single crochets. Okay, so I'll meet you back at the end of the chain. Okay, once you've reached the last chain, you are going to single crochet in your last row. And now to make the border, you are going to yarn over, and into the next single crochet row you are going to make 5 double crochets. And 5. Now you are going to skip one single crochet row and then single crochet into the next single crochet row, and then skip one row, so you are going to skip this gap and into the next make 5 double crochets. And then again skip one gap, single crochet into the next. So this is how you are going to work all the way around on this side and on the other side. And once you're here, you are going to chain again the amount of chains that you've chained here. So I'm going to chain 31 to have then 30 single crochets. So you are going to go back and work down the chain and make your single crochets, slip stitch to the first stitch and fasten off, weave in loose end, and then I'll meet you back to show you how to make the flowers. To make the flowers you are going to need your color B. In my case it's going to be yellow. Make a magic ring and you are going to work with a 4mm crocheting hook. So pull up a loop and chain one to secure your work, and into the magic ring make 6 single crochets. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now close your magic ring and slip stitch to your first single crochet, chain one and fasten off. And for round 2 you are going to take your color C, make a slip knot, and to create these petals we have 6 petals and we have 6 single crochets. In each of these single crochet stitch we are going to work as follow. So first join your new yarn with a slip stitch, and now chain one, into the same stitch make 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch into the same stitch. This is your petal number 1. Go to the next single crochet, make 1 slip stitch and repeat. Chain 1, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch into the same stitch. Your petal number 2. Slip stitch into the next. So continue like this, making your remaining 4 petals. Once you've made your 6 petals, you are going to slip stitch into your initial stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. Leave a little bit of a tail for the sewing. Now turn your flower the wrong side facing you and make some knots to secure your yarn, to secure your tails. And trim off your excessive yarn. Now you are going to take your yarn needle and position the flower on the place where you want to have. So I have 3 on the side, 1 on the bottom here. So I'm going to have also 3 on this side, and sew your flower in place. Make a French knot on the back side of your work. Weave a little bit in. And cut off. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved making this Flower Power Dog Bandana, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more free crochet tutorials, and hit that bell so you never miss a stitch. Share your bandana with me on my social media. I would love to see your creation. Until next time, happy hooking. Bye bye.